Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting the From N5 to JLPT N4 grammar series. In this first lesson, we will learn yasui, which means easy to do something in Japanese. Using this grammar pattern, you can say things like, these shoes are easy to walk in, or this app is easy to use, and so on. The grammar pattern is very simple. Use the mass stem and then add yasui. That's it. Do you remember this mass stem? Mass stems are like this. For example, if you use the verb 食べます, drop mass off and the remaining part 食べ is the mass stem. Therefore, 食べやすい means easy to eat. I will show you one example. These shoes are easy to walk in. この靴は歩きやすい。歩き is the mass stem of to walk. 歩きます。Drop mass off and this remaining part. 歩き this is the mass stem. So after the add 安い. Together it means easy to walk in. And you can add this at the end. This makes the sentence polite. Without this, this is casual. Now I like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. This app is easy to use. このアプリは使いやすい。The mass stem of to use is 使い。Originally this is 使います。Therefore, drop mass off and use the mass stem and then add 安い。He is easy to talk to. 彼は話しやすい。Mass stem is 話 so add 安い。This knife is easy to cut. このナイフは切りやすい。切り is the mass stem so add 安い。And of course you can add this at the end of each sentence. This makes that sentence polite. Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. このアプリは使いやすい。彼は話しやすい。このナイフは切りやすい。Very good job. Lastly, I have this homework for you.Translate the sentences and put your answers in the comment below. I will check and collect your homework. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment below anytime and I will be very happy to answer your questions. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。